Position 1, the head. The reaction of the first cat is as shown. The cat seems to react as if there is a pressure on its head. Avoiding the supposed force tape creates, the cat seems to try and back away from the tape. The reaction of the second cat is the same, yet it seems that the cat has a more intense reaction to the tape. Both cats exhibited a period of frozenness. Also, as soon as the tape was removed from the cats, they returned to their normal states. Position 2, the side. Both cats showed the same reaction to the tape on their sides. Initially, the cats seemed to be frozen. Then the cats would begin to walk sideways in the opposite direction of the side the tape was placed on. The cats are driven away from the tape. This cat was aware of the tape on its side and tried to hide it by walking against the wall. She also removed the tape at the bottom of the stairs. Position 3, the stomach. From the side view the cat walks with an arch, but from the above view the cat's walking path is not affected. Position 4, the back. The cat reacts to the presence of the tape by trying to remove it, but then begins to walk very awkwardly. Being aware of the presence of the tape, the cat removed the tape from its back and returned to normal. Position 5, the chest. The cat's initial reaction is to step over the tape on its chest, but when that fails the cat tries to leap over the tape.